forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click the bell to get a notification on my upcoming videos. Hey y'all, I'm here to show you how to use this Bentonite Clay Hair Detox. Its benefit is to cleanse and to help with manageability and reducing frizz. I chose not to show you guys how I mix this up because it's so many other YouTube videos that you can look up, but what I did do, I just mixed it up until I got this type of mousse consistency. As you can see, my hair is all dry, stiff, and frizzy. Curls aren't springing back, so what you're going to do first before applying, you're going to wet your hair first. Splitting my hair into two sections, I'm going to take one side and start in the back and just start applying the Bentonite Clay from my root to tips. So, side note, since Bentonite Clay is a cleaning agent, you do not have to cleanse your hair before applying, but also note that when you're washing this out, make sure you scrub your scalp because it does cling to oils. I want you guys to check out this definition. My hair was really curly, it was really bouncy, and as it got more dry, it became more stiff. And I'm back to show you the results after washing out the clay and washing out my conditioner. My hair felt really soft, really manageable. It was easy to comb through. I will try this again, and this was only my first time. And that's about it, you guys. If you want more, click these options. Don't forget to stay on the lookout for my upcoming videos.